Hi everyone! I am very sorry that I am not in class with you today. I'm at another workshop. But before you get started with your activity list, I wanted to talk to you for a couple minutes about the signpost words of the wiser. So you've probably encountered this in your book that you're reading now, or maybe another book that you've read before. But Words of the Wiser takes place when an older, typically or wiser character takes the main character aside and gives them some advice. It could be a quote, it could be a lesson about life, but it's whenever another character gives a character advice. And when that happens, you should stop and ask yourself, what's the life lesson and how might it affect the character? So whenever you spot those words of the wiser, you want to ask yourself, what's the life lesson and how might it affect the character? Whatever the lesson is, will probably help you find the theme of the story. So today you're going to work on an activity list. I would like you to work independently today. You can start wherever you'd like. There is an Edpuzzle activity, there's a Google Form activity, and there is also a Quick Write. So please work to complete those. If for some reason you finish everything early, you may work on your Newsela assignment or your Flipgrid, or of course you can read. I hope you guys have a great day, and you can email me with any questions.